been having a Jeep ride with my buddies. They're going on a trail.
This is how we bond. While my daughter is not normally in my videos, this is going to be a special one. My daughter and I have a different type of bond, and it's through going out and doing things that normally a dad and daughter may not do. In our case, it's spending time, as she puts it, off-roading. This time, however, is different for her, as this will be the first time we go overlanding and not just off-roading.
I think my window getting scratched. There's a tiger on it.
They stretch the tone out.
Flew you out.
Yeah, we did.
That did not. It sounds like this. The outside got breaking. There's like.
I have to find a different way out.
Yep, a different way out. If we came out this way, it'd be a whole way.
Once we found a clearing, I stopped to recuperate myself and find a different path to an area that I was familiar with. However, this area did not take us where I wanted to go. After a bit of time looking around for the river spot where I had been on my very first overlanding trip, I gave up and I called Josh, who pointed me in the right direction to save some time.
She finds us! Duck!
Just a couple people. Is it muddy? Yeah.
My spidey sense. It's feeling like
Little
different
river down there.
nature's really close by. Like over there. Hey guys, I'm in a playful mood. How about a little game of catch? Hey, be careful with the north.
This was the first time Carter had been in a flowing river and loved every second of it. After spending a good hour or two in the water, it was time to get packed up and venture onto our campsite so we could get all set up. While setting up camp, I realized I made a major mistake, which I thought would ruin the whole trip for my daughter. I had forgotten the mattress that went in the tent. It was going to be a rough night on the hard truck bed. And while that was definitely the case, my daughter was just happy to be able to spend time with me, through the good and the bad. We finished up our night sitting by the campfire, eating some hot dogs and marshmallows, and then relaxing in the tent before drifting off to sleep. But not before talking about when do we get to do this again. I think this will end up being a yearly trip, maybe even for Father's Day. The next morning came, and we headed back home. Carter helped me to pack up, and off we went onto our next adventure. That adventure being making it home to Mom. Thanks for watching.